We at UCA turn ideas into technical solutions. Our aim is to provide our clients with constant competitive advantage in their field. We consider all options in the preparation of technical specifications and test scenarios. Many project developments start with a concept phase, in which we develop technical solutions, while investigating and proving in detail their functionalities with appropriate demonstrators in a test laboratory. Our engineers have long-standing know-how in drive technology, precision mechanics, actuating elements and sensor systems, fluidics and pneumatics, as well as case design. In terms of hardware design, we are specialists in the development of circuit boards, current microcontroller systems, as well as measurement and control technologies. Our experts take care of developing safe data transfer technologies, and they implement connections to external systems such as computers, servers, or mobile devices. The programming of microcontrollers, different interfaces, and communication standards lies in the hands of experienced firmware and software experts. Benefit from our experience and synergies from a multitude of successful customer projects. UCA, Ideas in Technology.